Hello and welcome. This is just a quick one. I'm actually here at a Land Rover. It's the Leafy Spring Land Rover meetup. Lots of really interesting stuff. Just going to get bits on camera, edit this together, maybe a bit of music, not much talking. Nice. Yeah, very sick patient coming here. So you've got a collection here as well of World War.
This is basically, this little section here is to do with the signalling.
Right.
There were no signallers as such as a regiment in the First World War. They were aligned to a regiment. Okay. In this case, Royal Engineers signals. Right. So what we have here basically is there would be probably 3 men. There's a spotter, which was used. This is all First World War equipment. This, apart from that, so that's Second World War, but it followed over. So they were using a similar system. It was just a wooden box and a simpler Morse key.
Okay, right. Through a wire.
That's all First World War. The lamp is unchanged. Yeah. The telescope, that's First World, and the stand. So it's all original equipment.
Okay, right.
So using the Morse system. Tap it out on a light.
Oh, okay. So that'll be actually that's connected to the light itself. Oh yeah, you can see. Yeah.
See the telescope there.
Oh yes.
He's got there the Morse tapper, and then behind him is the colleague on the telescope.
Yeah. Right.
Yeah. There were other systems. There was our friend the pigeon.
Yes, of course.
In fact, they actually used dogs.
Right. Okay.
They were used. There's somewhere I had a photograph here of a dog. Anyway, for the sake, here we go. Of the dog being used. Okay, nice. The message was strapped to the back of the dog, and this dog actually has swum the canal.
Okay.
And the signaller was on the other side, so he swam across, and so the text tells us. So yeah, a lot of variety. They used also a heliograph, which was like the same idea as the light, but it was a mirror, so using the sun. Today they'd be on a stand and so forth. Right. So yes. Yeah. Again, using the Morse code. Yes.
Well, that was very interesting. Tried to get the interview in then, but somebody's got a strimmer next to us, and we've got the engine, the little train engine chugging away. So I'm hoping that I've got a decent bit of video there. But that's it. Just a quick walk around the Land Rover meetup. Very interesting. Here's a nice one. Righto. See you on the next video. Bye bye for now.